Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Analytics 4 for conversion tracking strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. If you don't have an account, click on the Start for Free button to create one. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Admin section found in the lower left corner of the interface. In the Admin section, you'll see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Select the Property column and click on Create Property to set up your new Google Analytics 4 property. Fill in the property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose the currency. Then, click on Next to proceed to the next setup steps. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to provide details about your business, such as industry category and business size. After entering that information, click Create. Next, read and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement and Data Protection Terms, if applicable. Once you accept, you'll be directed to the Property Setup screen. On this screen, select Web as your data stream type. Enter your website URL and stream name, then click Create Stream. Now, you will see your measurement ID, which looks like GXXXXXXXXXX. Keep this ID. Scroll down to find detailed instructions on how to add the Google Analytics tag to your website. If you're using a website builder like WordPress, locate the appropriate plugin or section to paste your measurement ID. For custom websites, you can integrate Google Tag Manager or manually add the global site tag, tag.js, directly to your site's HTML. If using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select Google Analytics, GA for configuration as the tag type. Paste your measurement ID into the configuration field and set your trigger to fire on all pages. If you opted for the global site tag, copy the provided code and paste it into. After setting up the tag, publish your changes in Google Tag Manager or save your HTML file. Next, return to the Google Analytics dashboard and navigate to the real-time report. Visit your website to ensure your tracking is working properly. You should see data populating in real time if the setup was successful. To set up conversion tracking, go back to the Admin section and navigate to Conversions under the Property column. Click on New Conversion Event to define what you want to track. Enter the event name, which could correspond to key actions like form submissions or completed purchases. Save your new conversion event. You can also set up additional events under the Events section for more detailed tracking. Monitor these events regularly in the Reports section to analyze user interactions and conversions. That completes your installation of Google Analytics 4 for conversion tracking strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.